This is a Dell Latitude E6420 XFR hard drive and media drive replacement. Start off by shutting down your computer if you have not done so already. To remove the hard drive, there's a blue tab that you pull up on, and there's a blue tab you push in to release the drive. You push and hold the tab in, then pull the tab out, pull the drive out. And then you unscrew the 4 screws on the bottom of the hard drive, holding the hard drive to the caddy. Once those 4 screws are removed, take out your old drive, put your new drive back in, and put the screws back in, and slide the caddy back in place. The caddy on these units is small, so you have to use either an SSD or a slim style standard hard drive. To remove the media drive, just open up the media bay door. There is a spring-loaded tab connected to the DVD drive. You push it in so it'll pop out, and then you can pull the drive out. Get your replacement drive and slide it into place and push the tab in so that it's pushed in. Then you're all done. If you have any questions, any comments, any suggestions, just let us know. You can give us a call at our toll-free number of 877-202-7788, or you can send us an email to our tech support email, tech_support@bobjohnson.com.